I'm going to be breaking down 5 different social media platforms that you can actually generate leads from, right? So the first social media platform I'm going to be looking at is WhatsApp, right? So let's look at WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is a very popular platform that we all use, right? Most of us use. So there are so many people on WhatsApp, right? So how do you generate leads for your business on WhatsApp? So whether you sell digital products or you sell physical products, WhatsApp is a very good platform to generate leads. Now let's look at how to generate leads for your digital product, right? So one way I personally generate leads for my digital products is by telling my community members to help me share my content on their status, right? So I have a community already. I have a community I've built. I have friends, I have colleagues, I have people I work with. So I just go to them and tell them to help me share my content on their status. For people that I don't really have a connection with, what I do is this: I tell them to share on their status and they get gift worth 10,000 naira from me. So when somebody feel that they are going to get something in return, they'll willingly help you share your content on their status, right? So this goes for digital products and also physical products, right? So this is one way you can generate leads for your digital product on WhatsApp. So for physical business owners, you can also implement this strategy too. So if you sell real estate, if you sell cars, if you sell fashion products, whatever you sell kitchen equipment, whatever you sell on WhatsApp, you can also implement this strategy. You can also implement this strategy. So another way you can also generate leads for your business is to go back to people that have bought from you before, right? So people that have bought from you before, they have people on their list, people in their own community that will be interested in whatever you are offering, right? So this is another way you can generate leads for your physical business and also digital business. So another way you can also generate leads on WhatsApp is by running ads. I also run ads. I run ads on my WhatsApp status. So you can see the flyer right here. You can see the flyer right here. So I run ads on my WhatsApp status. So there are so many people that run ads on WhatsApp, right? So many people that place ads that have a lot of community. Like they have a lot of people in their community. We have people that have 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 WhatsApp community. So these people, they have built their audience over time. They have built their audience over time. So you can run ads, you can pay to run ads, and you're going to get results, right? So if you want to get results for your business, you can see the flyer here. I run ads. So hit me up on WhatsApp or hit me up in the description below, right? So let's move on to the second social media platform and how you can generate leads from that social media platform. The second social media platform we are going to be looking at and how you can generate leads on that social media platform is on Facebook. There are 3 different ways you can generate leads from Facebook. So you can generate leads from Facebook feeds, Facebook timeline, you can generate leads from Facebook groups, you can also generate leads from Facebook stories. So I'm going to be teaching you how I personally do this, right? So if you use Facebook very well, you can post valuable content on your Facebook timeline. So it appears on people's feed. As you can see here, right? You can see it. When people move on their feed, right, they get to see your content. And if your content is valuable enough, they get to read it, they scroll down, and you can add a link in the comment section of your post, right? So when you post a valuable content on your Facebook timeline, people get to see it on their feed. So when they scroll and they read through it and you get them interested in whatever you're offering or whatever you want them to click on, just insert the link in the comment section. When you insert the link in the comment section, they're interested in whatever you're offering, whatever you want to teach them or whatever you want to sell to them, they get to click the link in the comment section, right? Click the link in the comment section. So you can redirect them to the WhatsApp, you can redirect them to anywhere you want to direct them to. So this is a good way to generate leads from Facebook. Another way you can generate leads from Facebook is by posting on Facebook groups, right? So there are thousands and thousands and millions of people that are on Facebook groups, right? So Facebook groups is a good place to get leads, right? So whatever you're offering, just know how to sell, just know how to write to compel people to take action. So if you are good with copywriting, if you know how to compel people to take action, you know how to compel people to do whatever you want them to do, write a good copy and post your content on Facebook groups. So Facebook group is still effective. There are millions and millions of people that still use Facebook today. So don't overlook Facebook. Don't overlook Facebook. So you can generate a lot of leads from Facebook. So go to Facebook groups and post your content, insert your link, and you get people to come to your DM on WhatsApp or your DM on Facebook. Alright guys, so the third way you can generate leads from Facebook is by using Facebook stories, right? So I use Facebook stories a lot, right? So Facebook stories is also a very effective platform for generating leads, right? To your WhatsApp, to anywhere you want them to go to, right? So if you are going to be using Facebook stories, you have to be consistent with posting on your stories, right? I post on my stories every single day. So I post valuable content, I post entertaining content on my Facebook stories. So people view Facebook stories feature a lot. People view this Facebook story feature a lot. So you want to maximize these Facebook stories by posting content on Facebook stories, right? So just the way people view status updates, the same way people also view Facebook stories. So know how to engage people, right? Don't forget to engage people. You can also post valuable content on your Facebook stories. So what I do is this: anytime I post on my IG story, I just simply share to my Facebook story. Right, I'm killing two birds with one stone. So I post on my IG story, then I just simply share to my Facebook story. So I insert a link in my post. So wherever I want my audience to go, wherever I want them to go, they simply view the post and click on the link. So I've generated leads from Facebook stories, I've generated leads from Facebook groups, I've generated leads from my Facebook timeline. So you can also do the same for your business. So this is how you can generate leads for your business from Facebook. So now let's move on to the third social media platform you can actually generate leads for your business. So the third social media platform you can generate leads for your business is on Twitter, right? So Twitter is also a good place to generate leads for your business. So how do you go about it? How do you do this? So if you have built an audience on Twitter, you can actually direct them to your WhatsApp, right? I'm always saying directing people to your WhatsApp because WhatsApp is a platform people are very, very comfortable with. And WhatsApp, people spend a lot of time on WhatsApp. So you can easily close deals on WhatsApp. So this is why I keep reiterating that you direct them to your WhatsApp, because we all use WhatsApp a lot, right? So if you have built an audience on Twitter, you can get them to come to your WhatsApp. So you can insert your WhatsApp link in your Twitter bio, right? Insert your WhatsApp link in your Twitter bio. So anybody that comes to your Twitter profile, they fall in love with your profile, they fall in love with your content, they see that you're a valuable person, and they're interested in whatever you're offering. So that link you've inserted on your Twitter profile, they get to click on it and it directs them to your WhatsApp. So this is how you can also generate leads from Twitter. Boom! The first social media platform you can generate leads from is from YouTube, right? So you can generate leads from YouTube. So people spend a lot of hours on YouTube. So you can see on somebody's video, on a particular video, someone will be having 2 million views, 3 million views, 4 million views. So there are so many people on YouTube. This shows that you can actually generate leads from YouTube. If you are a YouTube creator, if you create videos on YouTube, you can get your YouTube audience to come to you wherever you want them to go to, right? So you can get them to go to wherever you want them to go to. So this is another way you can generate leads from YouTube. So you have to be a creator. You definitely have to be a creator on YouTube in order to generate leads from YouTube. So you must be creating content, you must be creating videos, you must be putting yourself out there to generate leads from YouTube. So now let's move on to the last social media platform and how you can generate leads from that platform. So the last social media platform we're going to be looking at is Instagram, right? So you can also generate leads from Instagram. So you can generate leads from Instagram using the Instagram stories. You can generate leads from Instagram using Instagram Reels, right? So I post Reels about almost every day on Instagram. I also use the Instagram stories feature, and I also use the Instagram feed feature, right? So I post on my Instagram, so it appears on people's feed. I post on my Instagram stories. I also post Reels, right? So I've discovered that sometimes when I post Instagram Reels, I do get thousands of views, right? I do get quite a number of views, reaching hundreds and thousands, right? So people spend a lot of time on Instagram. So you want to create content that would attract people, right? You want to create content that will attract people, you want to get people to do business with you. So Instagram Reels is also very, very effective for generating leads. Instagram Stories too is also a very good feature for generating leads and redirecting people to where you want them to go to, right? So these 5 social media platforms I've mentioned are very good places you can also generate leads for your business. So you can also, one bonus social media platform you can generate leads from is also on TikTok. Although I've not started generating leads from TikTok, but you can also generate leads from TikTok. So TikTok is also a very good platform to generate leads. So maybe I'll do a video on that, on how you can generate leads from TikTok. So I hope you guys got value from this video. If you got value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button so that it helps the video, and also YouTube algorithm can suggest this video to more people. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification icon to get notified when a new video drops. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you all for always watching my videos. Thank you and God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace, 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 peace. Boom, boom, boom. Peace. Peace out. Bye.